Hello, everyone.
Hello, Teacher Pendo.
Welcome to Cool Words. Now, let's listen carefully to a familiar tune. Beautiful. Now, who can tell me when we are likely to hear this tune playing?
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Mara.
You're most likely to hear it on Mashujaa Day.
Very
It's a national
good.
day.
Very good. Any other suggestions? Yes, Atieno?
At the beginning of a football match between Kenya and another country.
Well said. Someone else? Yes, Nabututu?
When a Kenyan wins gold in an international athletic competition.
Very good. Now, every time I hear our national anthem play, I feel so proud of being a Kenyan. Now, you heard what Nabututu said earlier. She mentioned the word athletics. Now, does anyone have an idea what this word means? Yes, Washera?
I think athletics means running on a track.
Well, that's a very good effort, Washera. However, running on the track or the track events is just one part of it. Now, there are other events which are included in athletics. Now, these are called field events. They include activities such as jumping or throwing in the field.
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara?
I know what you mean. I have seen in a competition where some athletes throw a very long spear.
You are right. Now, that long spear, as you call it, is referred to as a javelin. And that is a very good example of a field event. Now, let's look at the following words on the board. Steeplechase, relay, marathon, lane. Now, these words have to do with track events. Now, who can tell me which of these words is odd one out? Yes, Ashley?
The odd one out is lane because the others are all races, while a lane is a running path for each athlete in a race.
Well done, Ashley. And you all seem to know quite a lot about athletics. I am thoroughly impressed.
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara.
I do enjoy watching an athletic competition. It is so much fun to see all the athletes trying to win.
Well, I agree with you, Marara. Now, do you know the name we give to a person who is in the field to watch how people compete?
Oh yeah, Teacher Pendo.
Yes.
It's an audience.
Not quite, but that's a good try. Now, we call such a person a spectator. Now, let's all say the word together.
Spectator.
Very good. Now, on the board, I also have some words associated with athletics. We have track, athletes, race, lane, finishing line, field events. Now, what I'd like us to do is to define each word correctly. For example, we've just said that spectators are in the field to watch how people compete. Who would like to go next? Yes, Atieno?
The track is a running path.
Track is a running path. Well done. Someone else? Yes, Nabututu?
A person who is competing in a race must run in his or her own lane.
Run in your lane. Very good. Someone else?
Shependo.
Yes, Marara?
Well, athletes take part in a race.
Athletes take part in a race. Well said. You've defined two words at the same time. Good work. Next one. Yes, Washera?
The finishing line marks where to end the race.
Very good. The finishing line marks where to end the race. Very good. Someone else? Yes, Ashley?
Field events are activities such as throwing and jumping.
Very good. Field events are activities such as throwing or jumping. Good work, everyone. Okay, now how many of you have heard about the Olympic Games? I see you're all aware of the games. Now, do you know where they were first held?
No.
Okay, now the games were first held in Greece in the ancient times in a place called Olympia.
Oh, I see. Now that's where the name came from as well, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara. Now, the games are now held once every 4 years in different countries, and they include many different sports. Now, do you know where the next Olympic Games are going to be held? Yes, Atieno?
London in the UK.
Aha, very good. That's right. Now, athletes who participate and win the top 3 positions in these games are awarded gold, silver, and bronze medals.
Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara.
Many Kenyan athletes have won medals at the Olympics. I hope we win lots of medals at the 2012 Olympics.
So do I. Now, I think that our Kenyan athletes will do very well in the long distance events.
Oh, I think that too.
Now, did anyone notice how Marara hoped that we will win medals, whereas I thought we would win medals? Now, who can explain what think means? Yes, Navututu?
When you think something is going to happen, it is quite likely.
Very good. What about hope? Yes, Washera?
Hope is when you want something to happen.
Excellent definitions. Now, we use think when we believe that something is going to happen. We're offering an opinion. Whereas when we hope for something, we're wanting something to happen. Now, we can use both hope and think in a sentence where we express what we want to happen, but then explain what is likely to happen. For example, I hope Marara wins the cross-country race, but I don't think he will.
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara?
I hope to prove you wrong and win the race, but I don't think I will.
Okay. Now, can someone give me another example of such a sentence? Yes, Ashley?
I hope to go to the Olympics in London, but I don't think I will.
Well, I'll keep my fingers crossed for you. I'd love to go too. Well, that's all we have time for today's Cool Words, but I hope you can join us next time.